Hello, this is Kevin again from the Infant and Early Childhood Mental Health team at the Children's Resource Center in Bowling Green, Ohio. I'm bringing you another quick tip strategy to help caregivers increase social and emotional wellness in children. Today's topic is attunement, also known as tuning in. And the point of this is to understand and empathize with children and what they're going through. And knowing that their behavior, all behavior, is communicating something to us. So tuning in can help us to understand what that is, what it is that they're communicating, so that we can respond in an appropriate manner. The purpose overall is to just help children build trust, self esteem, feel safe, and have stronger relationships. When children feel understood, they trust us. When children feel as though we empathize or understand them, they feel more self esteem with how they are and who they are. They feel more safe in their environment. And that relationship really gets fostered between the caregiver and the child, which helps them build a strong model for future relationships throughout their life. The materials you might consider using is a list of feelings to help you build your vocabulary, as well as to help you identify different feelings by thinking about how you're feeling each day. You can use the list of feeling faces to help your children point out how they're feeling each day, especially those who aren't using language yet. You might think of having a notepad or some kind of phone note app available for those challenging behaviors you're trying to understand that might take more than one or two observations. And then the skill that parents and caregivers really need to focus in on here is being attentive to nonverbal communication. And nonverbal communication is all of that communication out there that is not spoken language. So there is a huge amount of what we communicate each day that gets communicated just through our body language, our tone of voice, our facial expressions. So that's where we need to watch for clues. We need to look for certain movements and body language. Is our child tense? Are they grimacing? Are they frowning? Are they laughing? Are they smiling? We might go to them as we notice their frustration building, tuning into that. We might go to them and offer calm support. We might notice also how we're feeling and managing ourselves around them when we're feeling frustrated. We might think about our tone of voice, how we're saying things, and theirs, and what that is telling us. Because if we approach them or respond to them when we're upset, there's a better chance that we're going to respond in a way that's less appealing or considerate. We might talk about feelings as a family as well. Keeping simple, but talking about some of our frustrations can help children understand that feelings are normal. And that is all I have for you now. Thank you for listening and staying tuned to our channel and Facebook for more resources on social and emotional wellness.